Prime Minister Narendra Modi created history by landing at the Northeast First Emergency Landing Facility on a national highway in Assam. The landing took place at Moran on Saturday morning, project worth over 5,500 crore rupees, marking a major step in the region's strategic and infrastructure development. The specially built emergency landing facility is located on the Moran Bypass in Dibrugarh district. It has been developed to allow Indian Air Force fighter jets and transport aircraft to take off and land during emergencies. This is the first such facility in the entire Northeast region. The Prime Minister became the first person to land on this 4.2-kilometer stretch of highway, officially inaugurated the facility. Earlier in the day, he arrived at the Chabua airfield and then travelled to Moran abroad. An Indian Air Force C-130J aircraft. The project has been constructed at a cost of 100 crore rupees. The emergency landing facility is designed to handle fighter aircraft measuring up to 40 tons and transport aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of 74 tons. The highway serves a dual purpose, functioning as both a civilian road and a strategic defense asset. After the inauguration, the Prime Minister witnessed a 40-minute mega aerial display by the Indian Air Force. The display showcased the Air Force operational readiness and quick response capabilities. Advanced fighter jets, including the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and Rafale, successfully operated from the highway strips. The AN-32 transport aircraft, known as the workhorse of the Air Force, was also part of the demonstration. In addition, advanced light helicopters carried out special operations, including humanitarian assistance and disaster relief drills. These helicopters are crucial for rescue missions, medical evacuation, and relief work in remote and difficult areas. The event highlighted Assam's growing strategic importance and showcased how modern highways can strengthen both national security and disaster response capabilities.